I've been in automotive retail essentially my entire career. I was a Cadillac Buick GMC dealer in Cleveland until I found the right time to sell my store, and I've been working for TVI ever since. My mission with TVI is to help dealerships grow their customer RO base. We're not looking for a 1-month lift in service. That's great, it'll happen, we'll take it, but what we're really looking for is for a dealership to grow their customer count and to bring these customers into the dealership for the first time that have never been there before, and then keep them coming back to gain their service business. The most challenging part for TVI is one, we get the customers in, but it takes the repetition and the frequency. So sometimes it's a managed growth. So part of the challenge can be managing expectations, but the growth projections, again, are managed. We don't blow up your drive on a Monday morning where nobody can get anything accomplished. That doesn't work. It doesn't work for us, it doesn't work for the dealer, it doesn't work for the customer. So we try to manage that through a dedicated strategy to grow the business over time. So that, of course, at the end of a year, you've added 300 or 400 customers to your database that have never been there before. Well, the most rewarding part are seeing these customers come in for the first time. The dealership growing their ROs and attracting people that they've never seen before. Every month we go through the reports, we show the exact data of who came in, and every time it blows service managers' minds and fixed ops directors, about how well it performs. The most common challenge that I see, across dealerships is attracting traffic, bringing more people into their service lane, which will help grow their business and help produce results, obviously, in more hours per RO and more repair orders. The question I get most of the time from service managers, fixed operations directors, dealers, is how do I grow my business? How do I get more people into the traffic lane? They need more customers. And that's the age-old issue in the dealership setting. No matter how many customers you have, you always want more. You always feel like you need more. And at TVI, that's what we can provide. We can bring you more customers that have never been there before. They own your brand, they drive your type of car, but they've never been there. They didn't buy their car there, they've never been there for service. We have that information. We create an aggressive marketing campaign designed to bring those customers into the dealership for the first time. Your staff delivers a great experience. Where are they going to keep coming back for their service work? They do that 3 or 4 times. Where are they going to buy their next car? And that's how TVI helps basically feed the entire funnel system for a dealership's operation, to take it from service to sales, back to service, to grow the business. We help, bring customers in, and that's what we do. We attract customers who've never been there before, and we also bring in customers who haven't been there in a long time. They may have defected, they haven't been there in over 2 years, they're typically going somewhere else for service already, and we also attract customers that are past due. All of a sudden they may be starting to explore other alternatives, or perhaps their last experience was negative and we want to bring them back. And we do that through our aggressive marketing strategy that works. I'm looking forward to NADA. I'm looking forward to working it. I've been going to NADA for almost 20 years, so I know what's involved with the convention. It can be a lot of fun. It's also a lot of work, but it can be extremely productive and extremely rewarding. I'm looking forward to seeing and connecting with other dealers that I've known over the years that may have lost touch, and I'm also looking forward to meeting new dealers and fixed operations director that can certainly benefit from our program. It's no secret we go to NADA to generate business, and we also go there to increase our brand exposure, which obviously helps. The two are directly related. So I think by the end of the show we'll have gained exposure to thousands of people that may not have heard of us before, and then hopefully a percentage of those are interested in doing business with us and like what we had to say, and we'll follow up with them in middle of February and see how we can help. But you don't even have to take my word for it. You know, we back all of our results up with a 4-to-1 ROI guarantee, meaning if you don't generate at least a 4-to-1 return on your spend, the program's free. In my 30 years in the car business, I've never seen anything like it. I've never seen any company back up their product, you know, with that much confidence and support. And it works. And if not, you're protected. Your investment's fully protected with that guarantee. You know, so you as the dealer don't really have any risk. It's about as close to a no-brainer in the car business as there is, you know, because again, it works or it's free.